Alrighty guys, here's another deal for the Spring Fest. It's 3 for $10 and they're the 1.5 pint perennials, all varieties. So it's anything that's a perennial and it's in this size pot. See, this size pot. Not the big pot. It's going to be the small one, the 1.5. So let's see. 1.5. Let's see if this says 1.5. If you guys can see that, but it'll say it 1.5 on the packaging. So make sure you do that, because if it's not that 1.5, you're not going to get the sale price. Okay, let's see what else we got. They've got the Coreopsis, Salvias, Dianthus. I think these are butterfly. These plants. I always see these plants. Like a cushion plant. Yeah, pin cushion flower. That's what they look like. See? Isn't that beautiful? I don't think there's no 1.5. Nope. Those are not the ones on sale. Let's keep looking around. We have your lavender, which are $17.48. Let's see. I need to get a couple of bags of soil just in case for my I need some black cow. Yeah. I need that for my raised beds, for my fertilizers. Let's look on the lovely rack. Clearance rack. Remember I always say, come over here and look on this rack. Because sometimes this rack, you only need a little bit of pruning and some watering. I don't see anything on here that gets my interest. And that's an annual. Beautiful flower. But it's an annual. So here, columbine, pansies, that's beautiful. So I'll probably like $5 or something. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. You cannot beat that flower. You don't want to step in all this. So let's go around. See if we can see on the other side. You have their carnations. That's some more pansies. So this would be like $10 for this pot. In this pot, you can just drop it into another pot. And you ain't got to be doing all that arranging stuff because they've done it all for you. This is their pricing for the clearance. So, you know, hey, my friend, how you doing? So this is their pricing. So, you know, if you see a price like, let's see, this says $3.98, then you come over to their pricing sign and you find it from $2 to $4.99. So those would be $2. They used to be cheaper. Boy, they used to be cheaper. Then they got some blackberry bushes. They have some figs, but I don't see anything in here that I really need. So, but don't forget to come and check out the clearance rack. Can't go wrong. Let's go look at the soil now. Oh, look at these roses. I need to get another rose for that one trellis that I have on that white fence that I made. These are gorgeous. These are probably knockout roses. Meat petite knockout rose. Look at that. Beautiful. How much is this bad boy? I don't need no more roses, but I want one small one. That one's $22. Just say $23. They have it in the pink, peach. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Just a sea of roses. Beautiful. And then they got the rose trees way back there. Gorgeous. Alright, let's go look at this soil, you guys. Because they still have their mulch on sale, 5 for $10. See what kind of soil they have. Black cow is $6.98. So I think, let me get a bag of black cow. Hold on. You guys have their another Spring Fest deal, 5 for $10. It's get up closer, see all this water. This one is a Stay Green 1 cubic feet for flour and vegetables, and you get 5 of those right here, 5 for $10. I'll maybe come back because I want to see what I have already, and that's the only soil that I see that they have on a deal. But Lowe's is gearing up. They're getting all their stuff ready for spring. Need a job. They're also hiring, as always. They have cool pots. I couldn't find my planter, but I did get 2 bags of black cow. So, give you another look of all the beautiful things. Let's go down here real quick because the line is pretty long. So, I got my favorite flowers, my Gerber daisies. I love. Let's just go over here and look. No, it's gonna come over here where the hydrangeas are, because they're just beautiful. Look at that sea of hydrangeas. My favorite. Get up close look. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this one. Beautiful. Love my hydrangeas. Bees love them too. Look at this one, and it hasn't even come into its full color yet. That's what the full color look like. Love it. Look at the middle of that chartreuse green. Gorgeous. Oh, let's go on the other side and look over here. They got hostas. They got your corbels. What's this plant? Is this a dahlia? Yeah, this is a dahlia. See? 24. That's what it looks like. Now this basket, that's for $24.98. It has this creeping Jenny, and it has asparagus fern and begonia in there. That's a begonia. That's a creeping Jenny. And that's asparagus fern. You guys can make this yourself. We all know we got containers like this at home, and we can come and just get these when they're cheap. So don't let this beauty get you in the poorhouse, because you guys are very capable of making your own planters. Look at the clematis. Are these on clearance? It says 12.6 Bennett planter. Oh, that's a planter. And this one says planter. I don't think that's it. But these clematis, look how beautiful it is. Look at that. And these are $18.98. And they come in that beautiful pink. Look at that. And then they come on down to the purple. I used to have like a pink and striped one. That's what that looks like. And then they have the light, that's the dark purple. And then they have the light purple. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Alright guys, let's go on over there and look at the hydrangeas, and I'm going to pay for my stuff, and then we are out. I resist myself. Just have to come on the other side. We were on that side. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You cannot tell me that just looking at these flowers does not make you fall in love with a hydrangea. You know, they're working hard opening up new plants. So, let's go look at the fertilizers real quick. Okay, they got another deal over here. Save $3, $15.98. And this is off of the Miracle Grow 5.5 pounds, 24% water soluble and all purpose. So this liquid and all purpose, this down here, all purpose for $15.98. I need to find me some kind of fertilizer. to put in my garden beds. Look, trying to find Dr. Earth. You need to put this blood meal and this earthworm castings on sale, because these things are always $10, $9.98. There's Dr. Earth's fertilizer, but that's for azaleas, rhododendrons, and maples. You don't want that kind. And that one over there, all-purpose fertilizer, is $15. But when we go to Home Depot, we'll check there. Alright, so this is all I purchased today. It was 2 bags of Black Cow. I purchased some seeds. And I purchased another thing of spinach. I'm growing spinach, but I have that one more bed that I need to plant something in, and I'm going to put the spinach in that bed. Oh, I forgot to check the leaves to make sure I ain't bringing no bugs or nothing home with me. That's another thing. Check the back of your leaves, because you don't want no hitchhikers coming home with you, because if you let them come with you, then they'll invade your other plants. But I usually put these outside in quarantine and let them stay out there for a little while, and then I introduce them into my bed. But since this one is going in its own bed and it has that tarp on it, that netting, then this one will be okay. Alright guys, I will talk to you when we get to our next location. But this is Miss Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure signing off from Lowe's. Don't forget, you have until the 8th to come out here and get these deals, because everybody else is trying to get their supplies just like we are. So don't be waiting. Get it done. And we'll look at some more plants and stuff as we roll on to the register. And oh, and here's their seeds. They have their seeds and stuff. Seeds, and grass seeds, and all this. Isn't this beautiful right here? Let me show you this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright guys, I will talk to you in the next video.